Guys, it's your boy Josiah Hein. I'm here at Padar Island in Komodo, and this place is flipping nuts, man. All the bays. Komodo Island National Park, or Komodo dragons live. They only live naturally one place on Earth, and I'm here right now. This is Padar Island behind me, and in this video I want to talk to you about needing to get away from the tourist traps to actually enjoy a country, and that's what I want to talk to you about in this video. I hate it that people go all around the world and there's like this generic tourism setup. It's like the tour buses and the pamphlets, and you go to a place and they tell you what to do, and there's these guides, and then there's just kind of these seedy hotels, and then there's the nightclubs, and then it's just sort of the same everywhere you go, really, with very little difference. And that's why I love when I travel, it's just amazing to actually go and explore the differences. And I actually recommend just full-on avoiding those areas. Like, I would not even recommend staying downtown a city, maybe going for a quick day trip to see the sights for a little bit, and then just base yourself out where the people live so you can actually experience how they live. All right, guys, one of the sickest thing about this island is that this little beach right here is black sand, that beach there is white, and that beach there is pink. So it's actually so amazing, man. You got these three bays, Black Bay, Pink Bay, White Bay, making Padar Island this epic mountain. All right, guys, so basically, this is a white sand beach, but because of this, big waves crumble this, and it turns into these fine little red particles, which mix with the white, which makes it look pink. This is the pink beach, baby. And look at all the people around. This is what Instagram doesn't show. 850 people. No. It's a beautiful thing, though. People, oh, what's up? Holland! Ah,
hi, buddy.
We're from the Chow Hostel. Just living large.
I'm dead.
You're on my YouTube.
Hi.
How you feeling after that? Like, my first trip to Bali, I just stayed at Kuta, and it was like 10 bucks a night, Poppy's Lane, and man, got sick as a dog, just eating cheap, and then pretty much just met Australians, and that was it. And it's like, if that's all you do, if that's your only Bali experience, like, I was like, I never want to go back to Bali, because like, it's just like, I could just have that experience in Surfer's Paradise, you know what I mean? And it's like, what's the point of actually going to another country if you're not going to experience their culture and what is unique to that country? It's like, you may as well just, you know, like, I remember meeting these Americans one time, and they're just like, I think they were from Alabama, and I was like, man, you guys have a passport? Like, no, why would I need a passport? I live in the best country in the world, and we can go hunting. We got theme parks, we got Florida, we got mountains. What more do I need? And I guess that is kind of the aspect. Like, if that's all you're looking for, what is the point of leaving, right? But if you're looking for the uniqueness, you need to actually search for it and fight for it, and don't just read what the first tourism recommendation says. You need to actually research and find out the unique things, and probably not a good way to do it is actually go on Instagram, because Instagram things just flip and blow up, like this island where it's like sunrise, bro, and there's like 250 people fighting for that shot. I think it'd probably be better at sunset, to be honest, slightly, just because the sun is rising there, whereas the sun would set there right over the island. But there's probably 500 people here then as well, so you can't really beat it, you know, because Instagram blew this place up. Yeah, man. Anyway, guys, that's kind of my main thing. It's just a short little video, but when you go to a place, don't just go to the tourist trap. Try to go out, try to do a lot more research, choose your accommodation carefully, and yeah, I guess that's my recommendation. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit kind of shell-shocked by how many people are doing it. The sun has just risen over there. I don't know if you're catching any of that, but I'll try to change the aperture a little bit later. But man, I just wanted to say thanks for following the journey, guys. Bless you. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, smash that subscription. As always, Jesus loves you guys. Peace out.